Hi everyone. Today I have another art lesson for you that I hope you'll like. This is a sun and moon face, and it entails drawing the face, the sun and the moon, and we're going to think about cool and warm colors. The sun would be hot, so we're going to use the hot colors on that. And the moon comes out at night. Usually it cools off at night a bit. So we're going to try to keep the cool colors on the side with the moon. So it starts out with, you can see a very large circle and then the face of the moon. I'm going to show you how to draw it. I found a tracer, a round tracer. I cut my piece of paper to make it square. So this is the square paper, and it's easier for me to trace when it's flat on the table. So I already traced the black line with a Sharpie marker. Next, I'm going to show you how to make the rest of it. So I'll bring the camera nice and close so you could see a little bit better what I am doing. Next, I want to take that same tracer and move it over and hold it on there and use a pencil to draw the shape of the moon. So there it is. Now next I want to add a nose. So the nose is going to be kind of right in the middle. Any kind of nose you want. I think I'll make mine like that. Now I'm going to erase this extra part here. Now, I want to put an eye on my moon, and my moon is going to be looking this way. It can look any way you want, but I am going to make a side view of an eye by doing this and give it some eyelashes. Next, I'm going to make a mouth. Maybe I'm going to make the mouth open. So I will do this and erase this part. Now, it's a good idea to make these parts with a pencil first, so you can erase in case you make a mistake or you don't like what you did. But now I am going to start using a Sharpie, so it will take me a little shorter of a time to make it. Here's the eye. Next, I want to make the face just kind of peeking around. So you can put one eye if you want, or you could put two eyes. I think I'm going to put two eyes. Maybe I'm going to make one eye over here, the next eye over here, then I'm going to make a nose. I have to remember that the nose is going to be sort of coming from this direction because it's the center of the face. So I want to make the nose of the sun, and the sun's smile is coming out here. You don't see the whole smile. I'm going to give my sun some eyebrows. Next, I want to make the rays of the sun coming all around the outside. So it's only going to be on the side that you see the sun. This, you can make any kind of sun rays that you want. They can be simple, easy ones like this that are just a zigzag, or you can make them look wavy. Lots of things you can do with those. Now, next, I want to show you a little trick on how to make stars. I'm going to add some stars in the background at night. So I'm going to draw a star my regular way with the pencil, which is up and down, across and back, and then connect it. So I'll make a few of them. Up and down, across and back and down. Now, I don't want to see all these little lines inside, so what I'm going to do is I'm only going to trace the outside part of my stars so that the middle will be empty instead of having those little crisscrossy lines inside. So I want to do that on each of my stars. Sometimes people added other things. They made it like it was a shooting star by maybe adding a tail on the star like that. Maybe I'll add one to this star too. Sometimes people even actually drew planets around their picture. Now, once I have it drawn, now it's time to color. I'm going to show you how it looks when it gets colored in. I also want to show you my color wheel. Here's the color wheel. Now, the color wheel has red and blue and yellow, and those are the primary colors. The other colors are made by mixing those. Now, this side is the cool colors. So I want to use the cool colors on the moon. This side is the hot colors. So that's the yellow, yellow-orange, orange, and red, maybe even the reddish purple over there. I will want to show you another drawing that I did. These were done in school, so I had the nice big paper there. Another idea, I made this one winking. I made this one with the smile on the side. I added a planet in. Now, this one that you saw at the beginning is all colored in. I used gray on the moon. Gray is really a shade. It's not a color, but I think it looks a little cool. So I put it on this side, and I colored all of this in with markers. Now, you can use crayons to color it in. If you used a Sharpie to outline everything, you can paint it if you have paint. So I hope that you'll like to try this new project, and when you do, you can show it to me. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.